Tre-engines here, and there are some new images of Trackmaster All Engines Go characters, and also some Trackmaster push-along versions as well. But the only images for the regular Trackmaster doesn't have Diesel, Kana, or Nia. Instead, it only has Thomas, Percy, Carly, and Sandy, with Thomas and Percy having different variations. Before these images came out, I was wondering if there were going to be All Engines Go Trackmaster characters and sets. But then I thought that it might be impossible for that to happen because of the weird movements of the All Engines Go engines and how they just keep changing shapes sometimes. And I tried to imagine that in Trackmaster form, and I just couldn't see it. So I thought they would just make the merchandise with the Trackmaster stuff and keep it the same way it is. However, somehow Mattel is able to create some form that makes a All Engines Go looking design in Trackmaster. And I was really surprised, and I hope this isn't going to be the normal Trackmaster now, because the sets that they came out with this year, 2021, and last year, I feel like they were really nice and they were improving again, and I hope that there are at least some sets that'll still be like that and not All Engines Go style. And now there's also the Trackmaster push-along versions as well. And those make sense, and they actually do look more accurate than the standard Trackmaster when it comes to looking like All Engines Go or Season 25. And so I feel like maybe they should have just made All Engines Go Trackmaster push-along instead of making it into the standard Trackmaster. And hopefully they won't make a wooden railway version. And hopefully the new wooden railway will remain looking similar to the classic series. And also, if they really want to make a wooden railway version of All Engines Go, then maybe there can be a separate wooden railway specifically designed for All Engines Go, or there can be like the special Thomas version for a Day Out with Thomas or something, where it looks like All Engines Go Thomas. I just think that would be a good idea if Mattel really wants to have a All Engines Go wooden railway version. But anyway, that's it. Bye.